You know, today is the day for many of you candy-ass people that like to sit on the spectators and the benches and seats and say some fucking comment about how the bad boy attitude that I have doesn't serve me. And I want to remind you that my will is stronger than steel. And today is the fucking day for you to decide what you want to do, because there is no fucking choice in me. I am going fucking forward. Today is the day that I decided to make up my mind, and for you to make up your mind that I cannot take this shit anymore. Yeah. That my will is not available to be broken. It is incompromisable. It is what it is, and it's strong and robust. And I know one thing, that my will not allow me to surrender to weak minds and weak thoughts. And if you don't like it, guess what? Because I ain't here for you motherfuckers. I'm on the field. And get this, there's many fields. But on my fucking field, we play to win. We fight. We labor. We toil against addiction, against fucking prison, against fucking felons' rights that we need to have, against fucking children having to go through weird shit, against fucking tyranny, against fucking people that want to take our freedom, against every fucking thing that stands against me and the American heart and fucking the Lord Jesus Christ. And if you don't fucking like it, guess what? You have no fucking choice. Because we're going to win this son of a bitch. Through tears, through workouts, through prayer, through toil, through fucking defeat, through victory, through every fucking thing that you can put in the pieces of the Trivial Pursuit little fucking puzzle of your life. Yeah, that's me. And that's my game board. And this is the game we play. Or you're not with me. And that is okay. Because I'm for the fucking people that have no fucking light at the tunnel. I'm for the people in North Carolina. I'm for the people that are struggling. I'm for the people that are looking at a syringe this morning. For the girl on the street that's trying to sell some pussy. For the one that don't have her kids. For the fella that wants to protect his family. I'm for them motherfuckers. All right? And if you're ready to get off dope and get your life together, then understand this. I am going to be the example. And you have no fucking choice if you follow me. But to win. And your will be incompromisable. Bet that, motherfucker. Fluid English.